Hey guys, in this video we will look at different types of car exhaust systems in simple and practical way. We will look at how each type affects sound, airflow and overall performance. An exhaust system is not just used to remove gases from the engine. It controls how those gases exit, the speed of the flow, the resistance in the system and how the sound is shaped. Because of this, even a small changes in exhaust system can affect how the car feels and sounds. Stock exhaust systems come pre-installed from the factory. They are designed to balance multiple factors like low noise, good fuel efficiency, and strict emission regulations. To achieve this, manufacturers use components that restrict the flow of gases to some extent. This helps reduce noise and control emissions, but it also limits how freely the gases can exit the engine. So the result is a system that is smooth, quick and reliable, but not focused on maximum performance. When people want to improve sound or performance, they switch to aftermarket exhaust systems. These systems are designed with better airflow and different sound characteristics in mind. Depending on how much of the exhaust system is changed, there are different types. In an axle-back exhaust system, only the rear section is replaced, mainly the muffler. Since the muffler controls most of the sound, this changes makes the car sound deeper, louder and more aggressive. However, because the rest of the system remains the same, there is very little improvement in performance. So this setup is mainly used for sound enhancement. In a catback system, everything from catalytic converter to the rear is replaced. This includes pipes, resonator and muffler. Because the larger portion of the system is upgraded, exhaust gases can flow more smoothly with less restrictions. This can slightly improve engine efficiency and performance, especially at high speeds. At the same time, the sound becomes more noticeable but still controlled. So catback system offer a good balance between sound and performance. In a header-back system, the entire exhaust setup is replaced, starting from the engine headers. This provides maximum control over exhaust flow and minimizes restrictions. As a result, the engine can operate more efficiently under performance conditions. However, this setup is more expensive and complex, and it is usually used in performance-oriented builds rather than daily cars. Exhaust system can also be classified based on number of exhaust pipes. A single exhaust system uses one pipe, making it simple, lightweight and cost-effective. That is why it is most commonly used in regular cars. A dual exhaust system uses two pipes, allowing better distribution of exhaust gases. This can improve flow in higher power engines and can also create deeper and more aggressive sound. In a straight pipe system, most components that reduce sound or restrict flow are removed. This allows gases to exit with minimal resistance. The result is very loud and raw sound. However, this setup is not practical for daily driving and may not provide balanced performance in all conditions. Which one is best? There is no single best exhaust system. Each type is designed for a specific purpose. Stock systems are best for comfort and daily use. Axle-back system improves sound. Catback system provide balance of sound and performance. Header-back system focus on maximum performance. Different exhaust systems change how a car sound and performs. Once you understand these differences, it becomes easier to choose the right setup based on your needs.